Hello guys, I will show you how to download the old version of Talking Angela. My Talking Angela. First go to Google, then search upload old version. Okay, so you may choose the 2018 version. This one. Click 9.4.0.0 and download it and up to down. Once ready, click it. Just click download again. And go to download. Select download list and go to files and search Aptoid. And come here and click install. Click install. Once it's installed, just open the app. Open the app. Okay, I'll skip. Once it's done, just click search and click My Talking Angela. Okay, just click My Talking Angela here. Then once you're ready, click it. Just click in other versions. And if you find 1.6.2 is here. Here. Just click install. So I will allow. Installing. This is sound. This version is 1.6.2. It's already downloading, guys. Oh my god, OMG, it's not downloading. It's almost downloading. So we're going. Once it's already done, you just click. Okay guys, it's almost done downloading. It's almost 100. Okay, I'm going to install My Talking Angela. Okay guys. Okay, open. Okay. Okay, this is My Talking Angela. My Talking Angela. So I was born in 2015. Okay, Angela, I can feed you. she's going to go to the bathroom because I'm gonna put soap here. I'm done, guys.